Hi, I'm Elizabeth Crisfalusi from Tech for Luddites. In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace Internet Explorer with Firefox as your default browser. If you're like me, you have a favorite browser. In my case, it's Firefox. So generally, when I open my computer for the day, that's one of the first things I open. But sometimes you'll get a web link, maybe in an email message or in a PDF document, and when you click it, it goes to a different browser. So I'm going to show you here how to make sure that it's always the browser you want to open, and again, in my case, that's Firefox. So for example, here I have a web link in an email, and when I click it, it opens up in Internet Explorer. That's fine, it's a perfectly good browser, but I want it to open up in Firefox. So we're going to go back to Firefox, and you just go up to the Tools menu, go down to Options, and then click on the Advanced tab over on the right here. And down at the bottom, you'll see a button that says Make Firefox the default browser, which is exactly what we want, and it's that simple. So I'm going to click that and say OK. And now when I go back to my email message and I click the link, it opened up in Firefox, which is what I wanted. I'm Elizabeth, and that's how you replace Internet Explorer with Firefox as your default browser. I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.